Welcome. Today's video, we're gonna go and we're gonna show you how to do dirt removal with a skid steer. You know what I'm saying? All these body guys out here, they got these little maxis and all this other crazy stuff. We ain't doing that. We're gonna go back to our roots. Got the welder out, and we also got these fifth wheel release pins for semis. Don't ask me how I got them. Okay, don't ask me how I got them, but I got them. That's all you need to know. So I'm gonna go prep this real quick, and then I'm gonna go and weld these on, and we'll try pulling them. Like I said, we'll get to it. We'll get the metal prepped. We'll get our release pins prepped, and we'll go from there. OSHA seen my last video, and they said I had to wear gloves and I had to wear the shield.
I'm a rolling stone. They say I'll never be on, now the money long, now they on me. They only like you when you dead and gone. They hit it on me, then a nigga wrong, now they clown me. C'est la vie, I'm with a bad bitch from Tel Aviv. Hey, I got money on me.
We got all these prepped. Now it's time to get to the fun part of welding it, and hopefully the welds will hold. If not, got about a lot of money in glass there that may not make it through the video. Now I have to start a GoFundMe, and every one of you, however many subscribers, have to donate 25 cents a week. Input, what's that song?
For the heart of an angel.
Yeah, for just 25 cents a week, I could buy a new skid steer glass window.
Hell no. That's pretty hilarious.
Alright, let me clean the ground up on this, and then I think it should be good. Did I say Glock? Oh no, it says black. Connections. I thought it said Glock. It was dirty. I was like, damn.
Glock made that.
Obviously Glock didn't make
I know,
it.
I'm just with you.
Think, man, think.
It's made by Glock.
You're fired. Hey, get the next camera guy. Come on.
Oh,
apologize for the generator running the whole time. I don't know why I didn't think about it till now, but that's probably gonna be annoying here in the background. So yeah, I apologize for that. So I'll have to just kill it every time. Look at the neighbor's landscapers looking at me like, what the hell are they doing? Look, hold on. You can go up the hill right now. But you barely see him through the trees. Look, you barely see him.
Yeah.
He's looking over here. Look, here he comes. He's looking like, what the hell are they doing over there? I'm worried about it. Get some body work done? Hire me for your body work needs, guys. You know what I'm saying? Here's what I'll do. $1 a pole. You gotta pay $1 a grind, weld, and pole. Plus bringing the machine by, you know, that's a steal of a deal. You can get, yeah. I'll even give you 2 for the price of 1. You know what? Matter of fact, I'll give you 3 for the price of 1. That's how good of a salesman I am. What was that, man?
I did it on purpose.
Wow.
I did it on purpose.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna purposely hurt you. I think I'm playing. Turn that camera off.
C'est la vie, c'est la vie. Look, they love you when you dead and gone, when you long gone. Niggas lie, say they love you long. That's dead wrong. When I was all alone, trying to get down, niggas never picked up the phone when I needed it alone. Now you need me alone, bitch, leave me alone. Continue to treat me like when I wasn't known. That's food for your dome. They was throwing stones, trying to break bones. I was trying to get the wrong, just so I could wrong. Yeah. I'ma die, legend Polo G. Pull up skirt. This ain't SRT. Then I like them OJ Mayo, I'm at your league. You was sweating hosts that I had up on their knees. When your money like Floyd, who give a fuck if you can read? Brand new whip, got no keys, nigga, yes.
Smells like celery. Dude, the fucking transmission fluid? Dude, it smells like celery.
I don't think we need a hood anymore.
Indeed, used to stay up all night searching jobs on Indeed. Praying one day blowjobs be the only job I need.
Yes, now what we're doing is we're going and making it, we're doing a severe cowl hood. So you could drive with your hood open and have your engine be cooled off more than just a regular cooling system.
I don't know why I didn't think about that for the CRV, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
Honestly.
We could do it, pull back here, we can do it.
For performance,
Yeah.
you know?
Hey,
Horsepower.
Rumor has it, you gain an extra 5 horsepower.
That's what I'm saying. I need it. For the hill.
I'm a rolling stone. They say I'll never be on, now the money long, now they on me. They only love you when you dead and gone. They hate it on me, did a nigga wrong, now they clown me. C'est la vie, I'm with a bad bitch from Tel Aviv. Hey, I got money on me.
That did not go as expected. I was just trying to make a cowl hood, that's all I was trying to do. And then the truck just decided it wanted to puke the hood off. So, but still, we're gonna get a lot more horsepower. You know what I'm saying? We won't have to worry about
It all comes down to horsepower.
If anybody knows of, or anybody needs a mint OBS hood, let me know. Got it for the low. We can sell it. You know what? I'll sell you this hood because you guys are technically friends of mine because you watch my videos. I'll sell you this hood for
$5.99.
$599?
Yeah, $5.99.
Nah, I feel like we're screwing them at that.
What about $5.99.99?
No, how about we go? You know what? I'll give you guys a severe deal, and I'll give it to you for $50. $50 takes this hood.
$50.99?
No, just $50. What's up with you 99 and everything? How about $49.99? That better for you?
Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
$50.
Yeah, that makes me happy.
There you go.
That makes me happy. One day, dude.
A monsoon?
Yeah.
We live in Illinois. You think it's gonna be a monsoon?
I don't know. You never know.
I'm gonna lie to myself, and I'm gonna say I would pay. I'd pay a good $12,000 for this truck. It's reliable. Got less than 200,000.
In all honesty, yeah, 12 sounds decent.
$12,000 for this truck?
Yeah, easily, yeah. Shit, I'd pay 12 for it.
I seen them going on the marketplace for like $3,500.
Uh-huh.
It ain't worth that. It's worth, dude. I got sentimental value to this thing, you know.
You got all these memories. The memories is what counts. That's what brings the value up, you know?
That's what I'm saying. You just gotta be able to like have video proof of your memories of you loving your truck, and you're good.
There you go.
Look at that, dude. Who wouldn't want to buy that race cowl hood, bro? That's cowl hood.
Yeah, that's the race material right there.
That's extra airflow.
Mm-hmm. Celery. Try and get it every day. Out here you gotta get it anyway.
Oh yeah, it's looking good now. Slowly but surely we'll get it right. Yeah, you know, it's your daily, you have to.
Get some transmission fluid for this thing. Hopefully be able to get it to drive some more, be able to drive better. But I know one thing, the heat is dissipating great. Look at this. That's awesome. The hood delete, I think everybody should do a hood delete.
Got all the dents out, look at that. No more dents.
Exactly, pull all the dents out. That is some superior body work.
Look at that. Straight all the way down.
All the way down. Yeah, we'll continue on with another video. We'll have another one to show how to fix little creases like that, ones like this, because certain ones like this we just can't pull with the skidster. So we'll get it right though. Catch you guys in the next one.